Hello guys, welcome to my channel and here are some of my pictures wearing the top. So without further ado, let's get started. So here's a quick before of the unused denim and you can see the slit at the knee. So now we will open it. I didn't want it to make the video lengthy, so I didn't added the procedure, but it's not hard. Just open the threads and after opening cut the belt and the zipper area and we will be left with these pieces of cloth, and now we will number them. I am numbering them because I thought it will make the explanation process easier, and these denim belongs to my brother, so huge shout out to him. And the first step is to make the front and back pieces. Now take 6 and 2 and show some extra love to it. After that take 1 and we have to cut the sixth part, the bottom of the sixth part, in order to make it straight. Take 16 centimeter measurement on both the sides. In order to join these pieces like this, we have to cut them, and now we will use a scale because as you saw I can't draw a straight line with the tape. Switch to other 3 pieces and cut the 5th piece as shown earlier. Third and fourth pieces are straight, so no need to cut them. Now pinning these pieces together in order to stitch them together, and a warning, these pins can literally make you bleed, so work with patience. Repeat this same process with the other 3 numbers, and now we have our front and back section. Now take one part and flip it to its back side, then decide the top section and fold the corner at 90 degrees. Pin it and stitch it. Remove the excess fabric. Now repeat the same procedure on the other piece of cloth. In order to add a zipper, just place it where you want to add it and then fold the fabric and cut it throughout the middle. After that, pin it and stitch it. After stitching, this is how it's looking, and please don't cut this excess thread because it will be helpful later. In order to add a seamless zipper, flip the cloth to its one side and then open the stitched area. After that, check your zipper if you don't trust your luck, and then flip it to its back side, then place it on the open area and then pin it together and then stitch. After stitching, this is how our zipper is looking. We have to flip the cloth open in order to add a seamless zipper and pin the zipper with the cloth as shown and stitch it together. I have attached the zipper to the back part of the top, and remember the thread. Now we will open it. After opening, our zipper will be ready. It's a time consuming process, so we will move on to the neck part. For the paper cutting of the neck part, we need a square paper 8 into 8-inch measurement. Fold the paper and remember the center of the paper. In this process, you need a drawing geometry compass, but firstly, take a pen and mark the center. After marking the center, move on to the drawing compass and then take full measurement from the center and mark it. After that, take 1.5 inch less measurement and mark again. Now cut according to the markings. After cutting, this is how our neck part is looking. It's just a circle. Now cut less than quarter area and our paper cutting is ready. Now take the leftover fabric and then place it on each other like this. After that, place that circle on it, but as you can see the fabric is less, so now fold it, and after folding it, place it on the fabric, pin it so that the fabric doesn't move here and there. Cut some extra fabric for seam allowances. I have taken 1 centimeter extra. Now as you can see, we are left with very less fabric, so we will fold that neck part once again and then place it, pin it and then cut it. Do it twice. I trimmed them properly, and now we will pin them together and we will stitch them together. Please remember which side is front side and back side. After stitching, flip them on top of each other. The top parts are facing each other. Now pin them together and then stitch them. Sorry for the lighting issues. Now we have to stitch but do not stitch the ends. After stitching, we have to flip this inside out. It takes too much of time, so I'm not including the procedure. After flipping, this is how our neck part is looking. Open the outer stitches in order to join the front and back side. I know the neck part is not looking that good, so we have to fold the end like this and then pin it. Stitch these ends, and after stitching we have to make a top stitch on the inner circle. As you can see, the neck part is looking manageable now, and look at these teeth. I didn't knew how to do that, but it worked out. And the most time consuming part is here, so just enjoy the time lapse. Our top is almost ready. I have stitched the sides after stitching the neck part, and now fold the ends. I tried this top on, but these sides are little bit loose, so we will make tugs here. This is how our final product is looking. I hope you like it. If you do, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.